Hi guys, welcome to another Source Sounds video. We've got a VW Crafter. What we've done in this vehicle is done a Kenwood floating screen, so it's the DMX9724XDS. I'll show you now. We've done a camera and some other cool stuff as well. Right guys, so we're now inside. You can see how well this unit fits in here. Fits in the dash lovely. It's angled really nice. Obviously radio's not on at the minute because the keys are in my hand here. However, we have fitted a show switch on this, so this will actually turn on and off with the ignition. Or if we turn on the little show switch, so we put a little switch here, and what that'll allow us to do is then off the leisure battery, use the Kenwood system. So you can see that's now turned on, but the keys are sat in the seat there, which is a really trick feature. So with this screen, this has got the facility for Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, DAB digital radio, AM, FM, Bluetooth calls, Bluetooth streaming. It's wireless CarPlay, so the lady's phone is there. We've got all the typical features. So we've got DAB, we've got Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, etc, etc. We've also done a reverse camera on this vehicle. So if we pop it in reverse, it will display reverse, which I'll show you shortly. And we've also done a connection, so we've put a HDMI in the glove box, as well as an additional power supply for powering like a Fire Stick. And then this one here is the HDMI, the USB-A adapter, but we unplug that, and then that gives us a USB-C. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly start the vehicle up. I'll put it in reverse and show you the reverse camera. Okay, so we're now in reverse. What we've got with this is there's an overhang on the back, which I'll just jump out in a second and show you. But we've actually set this so the red line on the screen, as you can see here, is the stop. So I'm going to leave that bin there. I'm just going to jump round back and show you that. Okay, so this is the rear of the vehicle. This is the camera there. You can see it's fitted really well, but the main reason why we would have a problem or want to do this is you can see the overhang on the back there. So the camera gives us a really good perspective of being able to get close to something but no damage. So for further information on upgrading your motorhome to have a reverse camera, screen, navigation system, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.